In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your own audio to Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the trick here is to create a video with the audio you want to add to your Reels. So you can open up your camera, hit add video, and then you can record some video. You can play any music in the background, or you can just record your voiceover, and after that you can open up Instagram, then swipe to the right, select Reel, hit on audio, and after that you can hit add import, and then just select the video with your custom audio. You can trim it in that way, and then just hit add done to add this custom sound to your reel. And after that you can record your own reel in that way, and the maximum reel length will be equal to the length of uploaded audio sound. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.